Have you ever had a bourbon peach cobbler? Well, get ready because this heavenly dessert is a showstopper. First, let's prepare the peaches. To a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding my peaches, brown sugar, a splash of lemon juice, and some good old bourbon. I also added in my spices, cinnamon and nutmeg. Now I love to use frozen peaches for this recipe, but if you prefer fresh peaches, use those. You may have to adjust the sugar though, depending on the ripeness of your peaches. Now I'm going to let my compote simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes before slicing the peaches into bite-sized chunks. Let's get into the bakeware. Now you may have seen this super cute time and table stoneware in a few of my videos. I purchased this 2-piece set from Walmart and they are perfect for baking and serving. These dishes are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer, and oven safe. Now I am a Walmart partner, so if you like to style up your next meal, you can use my affiliate link in the description box to grab your set today. I added half a stick of butter to the 2-quart baking dish and I placed it in my preheating oven. Now watch it so it doesn't burn, but while that's melting, I'm gonna whisk together my all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon until it is combined. Then I slowly add in a cup of milk. And I'm gonna fold that in until it's just combined. You wanna make sure the big pockets of flour are blended well. By now, your butter will be nice and melted, and we're going to take that batter and pour it over the melted butter in the pan, but we're not gonna stir it. Do not stir. Carefully spoon that delicious bourbon peach compote over the batter, but again, do not stir. And we're gonna bake that in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour until the cobbler is beautifully browned. Now while the cobbler is baking, let's craft that bourbon sauce. So in a medium saucepan on low heat, I melted a stick of butter, then added a cup of sugar and an egg, and I'm gonna whisk this to blend well. I'll cook this over low heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Remove the saucepan from the heat and whisk in a half cup of good quality bourbon. Yes, I said a half cup. Now, if you want less of a kick, reduce the amount of bourbon, but I like it boozy, baby. You could also replace the alcohol with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract for an alcohol-free version. Now, when I saw the matching ramekins to my pans, I knew they would be the perfect thing to serve my peach cobbler in, so I had to purchase them. They came in a 2-pack and are also dishwasher, microwave, oven, and freezer safe, and I just fell in love with that gold trim. Look at those bourbon-infused peaches and buttery cinnamon spice batter. While it's still warm, pour on as much of that bourbon sauce as desired. Reserve some for dipping and drizzling. Trust me, there will be extra sauce. This recipe serves approximately 8 people, making it perfect for family gatherings and dinners. And I go into what pairs well with this cobbler recipe on my website, but the classic choice is always vanilla ice cream. And there you have it, a seemingly sophisticated dessert that's surprisingly easy to whip up. I hope you'll make this recipe. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy responsibly, and I will see you in the next one. Stay boozy, my friends.